Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to have an aesthetic MacBook. Timestamps will be in the description box below. I'll be showing you how to add stickies and your own fonts, how to customize Google, how to change your folders and your dock layout, how to use Itsycal, how to add screensavers, hot corners and notifications. First you want to open Stickies, which is a default Apple app. Then you want to go to File, New Note. When you've got your new note, type in the message. Once you finish typing your message, click Font and then Show Fonts. Here you can choose what font you want and the size you want. I'm using Helvetica New Bold Italic. You can also change the colour of your sticky note. You can minimize the sticky note, and when you're finished, you can also delete the sticky. To get the fonts that you want, go to defont.com. Once you're in this website, you can choose a font that you like and click download. Once it's finished downloading, click open. And then click on the folder. You can delete all the other ones apart from the TTF file. Save it in a place that you remember. Then you want to click Applications and look up Font Book. Once you open up Font Book, click the plus sign. And you want to add the TTF file that you've just got. There are two ways I like to customize my Google. The first one is Momentum. Just type in Momentum Chrome extension and add that to your Chrome. Here you have the time visible and you can make assignments. You also have an inbox where you can put your daily to-do list. You also get daily quotes. You also have settings where you can see what you'd like to be visible. You can add bookmarks, and every day you get a new wallpaper as your background. The second way I like customizing my Google is by choosing a theme. You can choose from the options that are already there, or you can upload one from your files. Another thing you can change is the colour and theme. You can choose one that's already given, or you can use the colour picker and choose one that matches your theme. First, you want to create a new folder and name it what you want. Then you want to right click and select Get Info. Now you want to go to the PNG that you have saved that you'd like your folder to be, and press Ctrl A to select it all and Ctrl C to copy. Then you're going to say Ctrl V to paste it, and then you've got your custom folder. You can repeat the step as many times as you want to get these cute custom folders. It's really easy to customize your dock layout. All you have to do is go to the line that you can see. Then you're going to click on it and you can select each preference that you want. For example, if you turn hiding off, then your dock will still be visible. But if you go and turn hiding on, then you won't be able to see your dock unless you go and put your mouse there. You can also change the position of your dock, so you can have it left or right, or to the normal bottom. You can also turn your magnification off and on. If it's off, then your apps won't zoom in, but if it's on, when you click on each app, they will zoom in. To download Itsycal, type in Itsycal and find the one for Mac. Itsycal is a software where you can import your calendar and you can easily view it. You can see what events you've got for the next day, week and month. And you can also add events directly from Itsycal. There is an option where you can download Itsycal for older Macs. To add a screensaver, go to System Preferences and go to Desktop and Screensaver. Here you can select out of the ones that originally came with your Mac, but I've added one and it's the one from Itsycal. I've added this one because it's quite practical and you can always see the time. It also fits the aesthetic look. To download this one, you want to go to Itsycal and you'll see the one that says for Mac. It's also available for Windows. Then you want to find the one that says for Mac and click download. Once it's finished downloading, you'll have to go to your desktop and screensaver and it will automatically be there. To save you a lot of time, you can use hot corners. This means that whatever you have selected, if you go to a specific corner, it should automatically appear. At the top there are 3 lines which you can click on and that's your notification center. Here you can customize which ones you'd like to easily view the next time you click on it. Thank you for watching and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video.